Hello and welcome. This is Robin and you're watching English Fluency with Robin. We are going to part 22 of English grammar and here we have the revision of simple present tense. We have completed some portions in simple present tense, basic words and simple present tense. So if you have missed out on the previous classes, kindly check today's video description to find English grammar playlist link. You can click on that link to watch from part 1. You can check English grammar playlist either from today's video description or from the channel homepage. Okay. So we will do a revision of simple present tense. We have started with the real life applications of simple present tense and also real life applications like habitual actions and repetitive actions of first person and third person singular subjects, or first person singular subjects and third person singular subjects. Here is the format: subject plus first form of verb plus object. Here simple present tense is used to talk about habitual actions and repetitive actions. You can look at the real life applications here. I will be highlighting it in light blue color using the mouse. You can read along with me. Okay. So if you have any feedback regarding the content or regarding my training sessions, you can give me a feedback in the comment section. And before we start with the training sessions, do remember that I see this not only as a YouTube channel, I see this more as a real classroom and you people as my real students. So make sure if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be happy to clear your doubts and I will try my best to reply to all the comments as well. So make sure to ask your doubts. Real life applications of simple present tense is to talk about habitual actions and repetitive actions. Remember that we don't need to learn the grammar rules. You can understand the format. You can just learn the format and make sure you learn grammar for real life applications, not for an exam purpose. Okay, unless you need it for an exam purpose or unless you are a teacher in English, then it is fine. Otherwise, for common people, you need to learn how to apply what you have learned here in your real life situations. That's why I have mentioned here the real life applications of simple present tense is to talk about habitual actions and repetitive actions. Whatever you do on a daily basis and which is repetitive. So let us look at these examples. Please read along with me. First one is I go to office every day. I go to office every day. Okay, here I is a subject, go is an action verb and the office is the object part, every day is the time part. Here subject, we start a sentence with the subject, that is I. Go is the verb, that's an action verb, that is the first form of verb. You don't use the second form or past participle forms, we are using the V1 form or the first form. I go, I come, etc. So I go to office every day means you have a habit of going to office every day. On every working day you go to office, that is your habit. That is what you do in a repetitive manner. That is the reason why we use the first form of verb go. The second one, I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. So what is the meaning? Here you have a habit of waking up at 5 a.m. every day. That's your habitual action. That is what you do on a daily basis every single day. That's a habit. Okay, that doesn't mean what you did today. No, not about what you are going to do tomorrow. No, we use wake up, that's the first form of verb because this is your habit. You got it? So we use simple present tense to talk about habitual actions and repetitive actions. Next one, I reach my office at 9 a.m. I is the subject part, reach is the first form of verb, my office is the object followed by the time 9 a.m. So is it clear? So an English sentence should contain subject, verb and object and the verb comes in the middle. The verb always follows the subject. It is after the subject. Got it? So I reach my office at 9 a.m. means you have a habit of reaching your office at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is the time when you reach your office every single working day. Got it? That is the reason why it's a habitual action. It is a repetitive action. That's what you do that is what you do every day. That is why we use the first form of verb reach. Is it clear? So let us continue. Before we continue, we are using here the I is a first form of verb. Okay. Now we will have a discussion on the format for the third person singular subjects like he, she, it and names like John, Mary, etc. Okay. So before we go to that portion, do remember that if you found this training session useful, don't forget to give me a like for this video. Your likes for this video, it's quite inspiring to provide you more such useful content. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell too so that you won't miss any upcoming training sessions. And if you, after watching this video, if you found this video very useful, if you found this training session very useful, If you think it is worth sharing with other people, kindly do it. It's a big support to my channel. Okay, so let's continue. Here we are going to start with the third person singular subjects like he, she, etc. There is a difference here. If you want to watch third person singular subjects detailed classes, it is already uploaded in English grammar playlist. Do remember to watch from part 1 and in an order. That will be really helpful. If you are an active learner, I'll be very happy if you could prepare the notes as well. Okay, subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Here, do remember that he goes to office every day. Do remember that we add an s or es to the first form of verb. I go to office and he goes to office. So what is the difference here? We are doing the same thing. I go to office every day. That's my habit. That's what I do every single day. That is why we use go as the first form of verb. And when it comes to he or she, it comes like goes. Why? It is his habit. It is something that he does every day. But we add an s or es to the verb. Go plus s or es, goes. He wakes up at 5 a.m. I wake up and he wakes up. We add an s here. He reaches his office at 9 a.m. I reach my office. That's my habit. 9 a.m. is the time when I reach my office every single working day. Just like that, he reaches his office at 9 a.m. means 9 a.m. is the time when he also reaches the office every day. Got it? So that's his habit. So when we talk about habitual actions of third person singular subjects like he, she, John, Mary, Sam or any name, we can add first form of verb. With first form of verb we can add s or es. Got it? Now let us do a comparison. Let us do a comparison of different subjects like I and he. So you can spot the difference here. I go to office. That's what I do every day. I go to office. That's my habit. We use go. He goes to office. That's his habit. That's what he does every day. I go. He goes. I reach my office at 9 a.m. He reaches his office at 9 a.m. So I have highlighted in light blue color es. Reach and reaches. I call him and he calls me. We add an s here with call. I drink tea. He drinks tea. So you got the difference, right? I hope it is very clear for you. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. So that's all for today. It's a short training session here. It is about the revision of simple present tense. Next portion onwards, we are going to detailed classes like question and answer practice for real life situations. Make sure to give me a like for this video and kindly share it with other people and do subscribe. That will be great support for this channel. I'll be happy that you people give me a like for this video, and also make sure to give me a feedback on this session. If I need to improve on something, if I want to improve something in my video, in my training sessions, if you want more explanation or something, make sure to drop a comment. Okay, very happy with positive as well as negative feedbacks. I am willing to improve. If you need me to improve on something, I'll be open to that. Make sure to give me a comment on that. Okay, and again, if you have any doubts, please drop a comment on that. If you found this useful, please give me a comment like, yes, I found this useful. I'm ready to learn English. I'm willing to learn English, etc. Those comments are really inspiring for me as well as for other viewers as well. So that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. I'll be back with the next training session very soon. Bye.